Welcome, you made it to writing day 4 of informative writing. You are going to be publishing today, or you're going to put it all together to show your expertise. Remember, you're the expert now, and we've been working on this all week. You aren't making something up that you haven't been working on since day 1. So go back to day 3 and use your Foursquare. Just like on day 3, we went back to day 2. Today, we're going to go back to day 3. So let's go finish our writing. So like I said, I have my writing day 3 here, my Foursquare. Yours is filled. Mine is not because I want you to do it. I already talked to you about your topic here, your 3 details, and then the conclusion. We talked about that on writing day 3. So make sure you have that filled out and you can use all your answers for this problem or these problems over here to finish your publishing or to finish your writing and publish it. So once again, we've been learning about copy and paste. Just copy what you used. Remember, start with number 1 because that is the beginning of your writing, and then paste it into here. Oh, maybe mine doesn't want to work. There we go. So we talked about insects use different ways to survive a cold winter, and then you should have your 3 details. Like I said, mine aren't here. So take your first detail and put it in here, second, third, and then end it with your conclusion. So 1 through 5 from day 3 is now going to be put all together for writing day 4. You just have your prompt up here again so you remember what you're writing about. But good luck. You've got this. Just put it all together. You can do it. You made it to the last day. Good luck.